Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shotcut on Windows 11. So first thing, just open up a browser here. Let's go to Google. Search for Shotcut, all one word. And you should have this website, shotcut.org, up here. Click on that. We'll be given the option to click to download. You want to do that and close out any ads. And then that's going to bring you to this page, shotcut.org/download. You can go here to the Windows installer for Windows 10 11, which I'm on. I have an Intel-based CPU. They also have one for an ARM-based CPU. Inside the Intel, download the Intel one. That's going to bring me to this SourceForge page, which is going to run through this little timer before it begins to download. Once it's downloaded, I can click here to open the file. And we have a couple different options. Install for all users, which is recommended, or install for me only. It's going to prompt me to make changes to my device, and then this wizard's going to come up. So I just said yes to the changes. I'm going to close out the browser now, and let's run through the wizard. I'll click next, next. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut. Click next, and then install. And I'm going to let that run through and install. Okay, that's gone ahead and installed. I'm going to leave this option checked to start Shotcut and click Finish. Now it's going to take probably a minute or two. It's going to run through to start Shotcut. It takes some time to load in the plugins the first time around, but then after that it starts up fairly quickly. Okay, here we go. As with OBS Studio, I like to right click and pin this to the taskbar because I use this fairly frequently. And you can name your project, start bringing in files, and get going with editing video. Out of the three main open source ones, OpenShot, Shotcut, and Kdenlive, I guess there's another one called Olive too. But out of those three, I haven't really tried Olive yet. I prefer Shotcut. It's kind of like meets all of my needs, although the other ones are great too. Yeah, hopefully this is helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.